ako nakatira. Pakihulaan na lang ako sa banda. Hallöchen! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. RJ Elma is here for today's vlog. Ayan, nagbabalik na po ako. Nandito ako ngayon sa Kwun Cross Bridge. Correct me if I'm wrong, pero yun yung basa ko kanina. So, yan po yung tulay na nagdudugtong sa TKO at LOHAS Park. So, papunta ako ng LOHAS Park. Let's begin from the Leng MTR station, exit A2. From your right, cross this two pedestrian lane. And then in your left, continue to walk until you reach this sign, Cross Bay Bridge. Follow the sign and you're good to go. This Crossbay link is a 1.8 km dual 2-lane carriageway connecting Kwan Industrial Estate and LOHAS Park area. It has a pedestrian way, bicycle lane, and for vehicles, as it is also a way to Kwan Tunnel. I'm halfway here, and then if you can see those buildings, isa dyan ako nakatira. Pakihulaan na lang ako sa banda dyan. So I started to walk from the starting point kagaya ng sa Leng MTR since 7:30 and it's now 7:49. So medyo mahaba-haba din yung way papunta dito eh. And then siguro medyo mabagal din ako dahil yun nga, nagtitake ako ng video, nagtitake ako ng picture. So yun, hindi tuloy-tuloy yung paglalakad ko. So let's see kung hanggang anong oras. But I think makakaya to. Nakapag-hiking nga, di ba? Tulay pa ba? So, let's go! Construction started in 2018 and it was opened to the public on December 11, 2022, 4 months ago. Along with the Kwan Tunnel, the Crossbay link with the two new roads were expected to reduce the traveling time between LOHAS Park and Kwun Town Center by 20 minutes during the morning peak hours. almost at the end of the bridge. So maybe if you guys walk like normally walking, siguro mga 30 minutes. And of course, kung nagbabike or nagja-jogging, less than 30 minutes sure. And because ako kasi ang dami ko stopover, ang dami kong take ng picture, ang dami kong take ng video kung ano. So it took me a good 50 minutes. So yeah, I'm almost at the end and I will show you kung hanggang sa inyong tapos nito, hanggang sa makarating ulit kayo sa MTR station. So yeah. So that's it for today's video guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And kung balak nyo pumunta dito, just see my description box down below. Nandun yung parang pinaka buod, nakasulat. Mas clear ko siyang i-explain yung way papunta dito. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Look at all these digits in my phone. Look at all these bitches I don't know.